Today's DIY is how to use Dollar Tree glass from frames when you're doing your projects instead of throwing them away to decorate your homes with them. I have a part 1 of the DIY tutorial and I made lighting with it, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. This video is a part 2, and all I'm going to be doing is joining up all of the glass together with tape. Now you can use duct tape, but because I want to give this DIY a silver effect, I'll be using a silver tape. The link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I'm going for something really different and not the regular square. And now that I have all the glass linked together, I'm going to be making a base that will hold them all together with the shape that I want. This is a foam board that I'll use to draw out the shape that I want, carve it out, and then attach it to the glass. I made sure that the foam board went right inside so it fits in a snug way, and then I'm going to turn it over and use tape to attach it to the glass, and then I'll turn it back again and apply a strong adhesive to give it a firm and permanent bond. I'll apply tape to all the edges of the glass. I'm gonna make this look more interesting by adding gems to all of the glass. I made 2 of this because of how easy it was to actually make it, and I have a lot of glass leftovers from other projects. Now with just 1, you can use it for flowers. I'm going to put a short candle holder in the middle and then place a huge rose flower that I got from Hobby Lobby, and all I did was detach the flower from the stem. It looks so unique and pretty, and all I used were leftover glass from Dollar Tree frames. So instead of throwing them away, I used them to create a beautiful piece for the table. You can also use different flowers inside and it would still look pretty. Another way to use the glass from Dollar Tree frames will be to make a side table with them. I'll be turning what I made over and making holes to insert wooden dowels inside. I'm going to cut them down to size and cover them up with silver tape. Because I'm dealing with just glass that's really fragile, I'm gonna have to fortify this table as much as I can. This is an empty contact paper roll that is longer than most contact paper rolls. As you can see, compared to this one, it is much longer. I'll be covering up the tube with silver tape. Now I have dowels and a strong tube that I'm going to be using for my side table. I'm going to make a hole in the middle and insert the tube to go right through the first and the second design that I made. I'm also going to be inserting the wooden dowels to go right through the first and second design. I forgot to mention that the tube is slightly higher than both designs together. This is the wood piece that I'm going to use for the top, and I'm going to trace out the shape of what I made and then cut it to size and attach it to the top with a strong adhesive. You can see an opening here, and that's because I don't want anything touching the glass. I'm going to be covering the edges of the top with silver tape. You know, I realized that this is not enough. I need to fortify the outside of the boxes as well, and I'm going to use a strong PVC strip that I have made a groove in the middle. I'll cut it down to the height that I need for the corners, and then cover it with silver tape, and then attach them to the corners with a strong adhesive. Now here's what the side table looks like. You will notice that I made this design in such a way that whatever weight that we place on top will be on the tube and the PVC strips that are by the corners. Isn't it interesting to know that glass that I thought would be thrown away because I didn't need them can turn out to be so pretty and functional as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.